What is blockchain? Blockchain is a hot technology. It is one of the leading software platforms for digital assets. Blockchain is a public ledger and decentralized that uses an open, distributed record to keep track of all transactions. It provides a transparent and secure means for tracking the ownership and transfer of assets. When new various transactions are made, blocks of transactions are added to the sequential blockchain, constantly developing as finished blocks. The maximum recent transactions are recorded and delivered to it in chronological order. It permits marketplace participants to preserve tune of the virtual foreign money transactions without crucial record keeping. Each node, a computer linked to the community, gets a replica of the blockchain, which is downloaded automatically. Blockchains can save many different styles of information: the details of cryptocurrency transactions, the contents of a land check-in, insurance data, health records, modifications of possession, etc. They can also serve as a platform for different applications. A blockchain is a tool for creating digital ledgers and then sharing those ledgers among a group of computers. You're probably maximum acquainted with blockchain in the context of Bitcoin, and which can serve as a high instance of how the blockchain may be used. The blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. Don and Alex Tapscott, authors, Blockchain Revolution, 2016. The history of blockchain. In 1991, the Merkle tree turned into use to create a secured chain of blocks, a series of data facts, every related to the only earlier than it. The most up-to-date report on this chain might incorporate the records of the entire chain. And consequently, the blockchain became created. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto conceptualized the dispersed blockchain. It would contain a secure record of statistics exchanges, make use of a peer-to-peer community or network to timestamp and verify every trade, and could be controlled autonomously without a government. This has become the spine of Bitcoin. And as a result, the blockchain we realize today was born, as well as the global of cryptocurrencies. History of blockchain begins with Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system in 2008 that described the only peer-to-peer model of digital cash referred to as Bitcoin. Blockchain technology made its public debut. Bitcoin blockchain, 2008, Bitcoin changed into delivered by an unknown individual named Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto introduces a peer-to-peer digital coins device that permits direct online bills from one celebration to another without going via financial organization like banks. Eternity blockchain, 2018, Eternity is upcoming blockchain technology 3.0 that is going to remedy problems like scalability, privacy and transaction speed. Originally developed as the accounting approach for the digital currency Bitcoin, blockchains, which use what's called allotted ledger generation, DLT, are acting in a ramification of commercial applications today. Currently, the technology is mainly used to verify transactions inside digital currencies, although it's almost possible to digitize, code and insert almost any document into the blockchain. Doing so creates an indelible document that cannot be changed. Furthermore, the file's authenticity can be proven with the aid of the whole community. The use of the blockchain in place of a single centralized authority.
Subscribe to our channel, Interview Gig. Visit our website for more articles and interview questions and answers. www.interviewgig.com